How to use Photoshop AI. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about Photoshop AI and how we're going to be using it. So Photoshop AI is a brand new innovation in the editing world. Photoshop brought its very new AI for the people to use. So it's a generative fill that it's new in Photoshop. You can buy it now or get a free trial, and it's pretty easy to use it. So to use it, what you are going to want to do is obviously you're going to add in any image into your Photoshop and you're going to go ahead and select it. Okay, so you're going to choose the selection tool when selecting this, all right, obviously. So the selection tool is the rectangular dotted tool that appears on the left-hand side. If I were to show you exactly, I mean, it could be the snipping tool as well as the selection tool. All you need to do is you need to select a certain region in the image. So it could be the snipping tool as well. But once you've selected something, let's say this person has selected this region, it's going to give you an option to generate. So you're going to click on generate and give it a prompt, or you can click on generate and let it randomly fill it in. So that's basically Photoshop's AI. That's how we're supposed to use it. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.